Another mint right here. I got rid of a lot of them last year. At the end of last year, a lot of mint. Some's coming back. Okay, we had a couple of days of no rain. No sun. And now the sun is shining, so plants are growing again. These are kale plants. I have too much mint growing, so I'm gonna have to get rid of some. Yep, I gotta stop these mint from growing. Yeah, these can take over real quick. This one I need. This is comfrey. I need this plant. So I got some more kitchen scrap to bury. These gross looking things are banana leaves. Banana peels. These are coffee grounds with some fruit scraps. So I buried some stuff here. Buried some stuff here in the fall. And over here. And I buried some right here. Almost everywhere I buried stuff, a little at a time. Oh, there's already a lot of worms in here. Well, that's good. So I do this on a small scale. This is a small space.